Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we got us one. We got what we've been waiting for. Possibly this could make Bike Life great again. If y'all stay tuned, we ready to watch the one and only one-way Corey versus the Gator, the Dolphin. I don't think Dolphin. Hitters only. Bands up versus one-way Corey. Ladies and gentlemen, tune in. We ready to watch this thing go down. Live action. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He is pointing out his victim. He's like, yo, there you go right there. Okay. Scooter, I see scooters in there. I see the whole pack. This is an in-traffic battle. This is an intro. They go one-way Elijah. We got one-way Elijah, raised up Scooter, then we got Lil Milk. Lil Milk, I don't know why he's not wheeling. He from Baltimore. He should have his wheel up, giving this nigga some smoke. He's a rookie. But whatever. Let's see. Let's fast forward to what we're here for, what we're here to see. You know what I mean? Let's fast forward to what we're here to see. Let's see. Okay. Corey just beating. He planted close. Well, he planted far. He's 5 feet away from his opponent. You know what I'm saying? He ain't putting no pressure on him. He's just doing his thing. It's 1-2. Let's see. Let's continue to watch. Cameras is rolling. See, the 450 class is crowded. 450 class is crowded. It's a crowd. That's the most bikes in Bike Life is 450, hands down. No particular brand. 450 is a joke. And of course, it's 125. But right now, okay, bands up, and Corey's right next to each other. Like I said, Corey just go right past him. He willing like he not even battling. You know what I'm saying? Okay. What initiates a battle? Like, what makes a battle a battle? Like, what initiates the battle? Is it when the opponent drops back on you? Like what necessarily? You know what I'm saying? But Elijah and Corey on the same team. They both one way. I know that's not it. You know what I mean? It's one way for his bands up, but it's one way. Ooh! Scooter came through and smacked. That might be interference, man. I don't know. We might got to run this back. That might have been it. But Corey kept it up, so let's see. He had the light. Now, this might initiate the battle. Bands up is dropping back on Corey. Mind you, Corey is a senior. He's a vet in this. He's not over the 450 swinging that corner like that. They both on the same bike. They both on YPF 450. Man. They are in Baltimore. Both of them are not in their hometown. Like I said again, Corey is from Philly. We're looking at his point of view. Bands up, which has the baby blue bike. He is from the one and only Miami. You know what I'm saying? Where the streets are smooth and long and straight. And this right here, my friend, he is not used to. So let's see what's going to go down and how is it going to go down. But Corey looks locked in. He's not doing too many tricks. You know what I'm saying? He looks dialed in. Okay, I spoke too soon. Getting around. Alright, stands up again. Elijah again. Alright. Elijah ain't putting no smoke on him. Bands up though. He on some bullying. It look like he on some bully time. Like he really want to get this W against Corey. They gotta make another left coming up. Another left. Let's see how it goes. Another left. Whoa! Bands up, swung that joint like, jeez, Corey. Corey. My. Corey. Okay. All right. Like I said, Corey doing his thing. We got his point of view, so he's Superman right now. I know that for sure. But he looked like he got the skates on. He looked like he's fighting. He ain't put no type of pressure on this man. This is a completely different battle than what we used to see in Corey battle before. Corey used to be the aggressor. In this situation, I don't see no aggression playing all defense. You know what I'm saying? No offense. But let's see, Corey is the defending champion. That man has lost 0 times. Happy tip his head. Win, lose, or draw in this battle, he have to tip your head to Corey. Shout out to one way Corey been doing this shit for what, 10, 15 years riding bikes. You know what I mean? Wheeling bikes. The boy ain't even that old. He ain't cracked 30 yet, so oh, I just see baby. Oh, he touched him. He touched that man mid-battle. Corey, come on, Corey. This is bullying. Look at him. He just dropping back in front of that man. Oh, Lord. Okay, Vance. Okay, Vance. Corey got out of there. You see how he went around him? All right. Oh, and then he swerved in front of him. Oh, I wish I had the full point of view, ladies and gentlemen. I swear to God, I wish I did. Because these boys is fighting. It's a fight. It is a dog. But Corey kept it up. Like I say, he's playing immaculate. Ooh, did the front tire, ladies and gentlemen, did the front tire touch his back? He's going, boy's going 0 miles per hour. Okay, Corey gonna move. He moved around it. He got out of it. All right, bands up. Bands up. That didn't work. You gotta come. You gotta come more stronger. You gotta come more stronger. That didn't work. Boy on the Superman doing his Doug Dizzle. Okay. Okay. They are, like I said, this is the most fairest it's gonna get. This is gonna make Bike Life great again. Like, you guys stop worrying about looking fly and riding the best looking bikes through the hoods of America, and y'all actually give each other a reason to be outside breaking the law. And this right here is a fucking reason to be outside breaking the law. Bands up again, playing offense. That boy out there like Scotty Pippen, you hear me? He is playing lockdown. I'm talking about Tim Duncan, lockdown defense. But motherfucking Corey did the Michael Jordan Iverson crossover and got out of there. Man, like I said, it's a lot of challenges. They got to worry about pothole cars, police, helicopters, other riders. It's a lot of challenges these boys are dealing with. This is not no track event. At the track, you ain't got to worry about this. You ain't got to worry about this going on oncoming traffic. You ain't got to worry about none of that. But man, here he come again. The Miami Gator himself. Hit his own. Shout out to my man Ski, but god damn, y'all boys raising this boy to be aggressive. It's like he don't care if you win or lose. He is not giving Corey no air, no room at all. This is his battle. That's what he's saying. But bands up, if you tire yourself out, because you look like you try to tire Corey out. Corey's the Floyd Mayweather of Bike Life. And this is Javante Tank Davis. Bands up has to be Javante. All right, they're approaching Wheeldale. Let's see. They're approaching Wheeldale. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see how it goes down. They're approaching Wheeldale. There's police out. I see sirens. I see a bus. Hold up. Why is a bus in the middle of the street at a bus stop? Whatever. I see the sirens. What they gonna do? I see Hip Hop Chicken. Shout out to Wheeldale, Baltimore Bikelife. What's going on? They going past the police. They still up. They said they ain't stopping. Oh, he touched his bike for the third time. Boy, you better get your payback, boy. You gotta get your leg back, man. This man got his hands all on your bike. So he dropped it back in front of him again. Like I say, Corey got out of there. It's like Corey liked him putting that pressure on him, pause. Like, you know what I'm saying? Pause. It's like Corey liked it though, because he ain't put no pressure back on him, but he ain't ducking no pressure neither. Whoa, where you going, man? Is this, did Corey win? Is it over? Is it over? Where did he go? Oh no, he made the wrong turn. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, raise it up, Scooter. Shout out to Scooter, MVP of Baltimore Bikelife. And I say MVP, I mean MVP, most valuable player of the year. Man. What is, the battle's over, y'all. The battle's over. All right, he making a left. Okay. The battle over, he won. They telling him, come on, go, Corey, go. Whoa! Bands up, still up. He never put his wheel down. He is still up. Man, no. Corey bucking a U-turn. Where's Bands up? Where's Bands Up? Corey making the U-turn. Okay. Oh, they back at it. It's back on, ladies and gentlemen. Bands Up is never put the wheel down. He made a detour and they locked back in. Why y'all not holding traffic? Why y'all not? Oh my God, Corey lost. Why did you? Hey, Stephen, why the? Stephen, move! Stephen, what is you? Yo, Stephen, you are a loser.
Man, what the fuck I done did to you, Shamar?
You made both of them drop because you couldn't be a fucking team player. But that's sports. That's good sportsmanship right there.
The first thing Prince said to me when he came home, yeah, what about Philly? Yeah. One way what? He said, one way what? What you said about one way? What you said? This what Prince said. True show Prince. First time talking to him on a regular phone in about 10, 12 years. Yeah, what you say about one way? I said, yo, Prince, what's that, bro? Ain't nobody in one way hitting on shit. But Corey and Syer. He said, who? I said, Corey and Syer. He said, yeah, whatever, nigga. Whatever, they talking this shit, right? Man, Corey brought his bad ass down to Baltimore, man. And they just did him like he was I'm like, what he say fuck me for? And Rue just sat there and watched. Bro. Stephen, if you're witnessing assault, motherfucker, help me. Corey, goddammit, get Dirt Bike Corey in here. Cause I wanna make it make sense for me, Corey. Cause you wasn't being aggressive. But what I'm used to seeing Dirt Bike Corey do, One Way Corey, aka Rel Little Brother, aka Mark Brother, aka Two Stroke Little Brother. Like what he did to Rue. So Corey, you did Rue worse than you did motherfucking Bands Up. You let a Florida nigga do that to you? No disrespect to Bands Up, because I believe he's number 2 on my list. You know, Reg definitely in my top 5, and this is the reason why. You know what I'm saying? I be telling 5-star, and them niggas to stay in their lane, because if y'all niggas is struggling with Corey, and Corey's struggling with Bands Up, and Bands Up don't tip his head to nobody but Sean, what are we saying? I don't give a fuck what kind of shoes you got on, with how you dress, how your hair is. I look at you for your pure talent on the bike. And also, I've done those tricks before. Pug ain't never motherfucking jump on no 250, 450, Superman one hand, get on a badge and stay on handlebars, none of that. You know what I'm saying? But back to what I was saying though, only goats can judge goats, I feel like. That's why I look like motherfucking Charles Barkley in this shit I say. I'm the only one who went platinum in the first place. Corey, why weren't you giving him the 1s and 2s and dropping that bitch back? Pause. Like, you should have really, I judge people. I judge your talent, your abilities on the bikes. I say who I think is nice and who's not. It's my mouth and freedom of speech and all that dumb shit. So, niggas, the first thing they holler out, you don't even come outside. I made it. I moved the whole family. I don't gotta go back to Baltimore to see my mommy, my daddy, my wife, mother, her father. We good. You know what I'm saying? You still stuck in your predicament. You can't go left, right, up, or down. Not me. So you keep saying, oh, you don't do this. You think I want a vacation in Baltimore? Or do I want a vacation in Los Angeles? I max Baltimore out. That's the same shit. They just miss me. You know, the first thing a nigga want to say, oh, you don't even come out. They just miss me. But I did things that they wish they could have did. They want to hate and sneak this and all that shit. You let them do it. But back to what I was talking about is talent. I judge talent. I know what it takes to two-hand touch. No hand. I know what it takes to put your elbow on the ground. I know putting your elbow on your ground is a harder trick to do than Superman.
You happy, huh?
Why would I ever be happy if I was rooting for you? Make it make sense.
No, players fucked up too. It's cool, I mean.
Why would I ever be happy if I was
You happy, huh?
If I was rooting for
you, happy, huh?
Like that cut the bean shit.
No, that boy happy.
I'm rooting for you.
You ain't rooting for shit. You talking about no, he not number. No, I don't give a fuck about.
I'm a shit talk. I talk
with
shit
this
to you
shit.
when you was a baby. Come on, stop it.
No, I ain't bitching.
You ain't like Pug, nigga. You was nice when you was a youngin'. We used to really put belt to you though. Back to what I'm saying. Why you wasn't giving you rusty?
I ain't gonna lie, my energy was terrible. I'm gonna keep.
Yeah.
I ain't making no excuse though. He got it. He got that
real.
joke.
It's just real.
I don't know what it was. I'm gonna keep it. I don't know.
Hey, you had a lot of reasons to not believe it. I see it.
I mean,
But
it come with the shit.
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's cool. Where would you put him on that list between him and John? Let me ask you that.
I ain't gonna lie. The way he be doing the cutoff shit, cause that's what John like. Me, I'm a kid to be. I like that. Like I let them do that, and I just go around it.
Yeah,
Like
that's
John.
what I was gonna ask you next.
Yeah,
Like
John do the same shit with me. I just let him drop back in front of me. I go around. I mean, that's how we do that. I don't really like to try to drop back. I don't know. I don't trust that shit. I don't know. But fucking,
I think a different era, I guess. Yeah. I
think him and John will go crazy though. I ain't gonna lie.
Go crazy.
They might crash into each other. Or some
him
shit.
And John will go crazy. I've been saying that.
Yeah, because they both. Yeah.
Him and John will go crazy, but I don't know if John got enough in the gas tank for cuz, yo. John be pulling. I don't know. I haven't seen John like pull a clutch and stop like that.
Oh yeah, you tripping.
He never posts those videos.
Yeah. He don't.
So
he just posts him just going
snapping.
Stupid. Yeah.
Snapping. He don't post the stop. Like that's why I always say I never seen it. I don't believe that he can't do it.
No, yeah.
So why did you put that though?
I'm a kid to be. I didn't know what the truck was doing, but looking back at it, I was just on some bum shit. I could have kept it right up. I could have went right around. I don't know.
The number one question: was it a battle? That's the
we went at it. We went at it. It's not a battle. We went at it.
Right.
I mean, somebody say it's a battle. I don't give a fuck. You could say it's a battle. I lost. I mean, shit, come with it.
Y'all just went at it, and he got the best of you.
Yeah.
First one, brother. Take it away.
No diddy.
It happens though, bro.
No, ain't my first run. Drew fucked me up when I was a young boy on the highway.
Oh man, this troublemaker. Here comes this troublemaker.
They come with this.
Yeah, Rue.
Hold up.
So that explains why. Cause you saying you don't like cutting niggas off, but look what you did to Rue.
I ain't cut Rue off.
You did.
No,
you just was pressing them at first.
Yeah. I like that, like going next to you, but
I added you, Cheeky. I don't know what happened. But all right, but you ain't with the dropping back in front of each other, pulling the clutch.
No, I like when they do it in front of me, yeah.
Cause that's not the reason you dropped. The reason you dropped is because whatever happened with that.
I was just on some
up.
No, I was just on some bum shit.
But shout out to them boys, man. That's 12-minute battle in the middle of the motherfucking Rideout, in the middle of the trenches of Baltimore City. They went from West Baltimore, they wheelie all the way to West Baltimore, going towards South Baltimore, and they put down because of motherfucking niggas don't want to participate and help this show go on. But like, man, this shit crazy, bro.
They told me I wouldn't make it. I know niggas trying not my shine. If you want my spot, nigga, come and take it. A lot of these fuck niggas keep on lying. That's why niggas dying. I can't even fake it. Bitch ass nigga shouldn't cross the line. Got a nigga high, he don't want face. Ain't getting no money sitting on the pine. Get off of your ass, nigga, go and chase. You sit in his face when a nigga hate. I take this shit back to the basics. Bitch, I'm a villain, don't call me no hero. Yeah, I've been stuck in the trenches for years. Shit really real, shed blood, shed tears. Don't play Leonardo's not one of them. If it's smoke, then we every one of them. I like spending bins, I like popping tens. I ain't got no friends, I just wanna win. Bitch, you know I'm him. I told Brody just call if you need a lift. I thank God every day bless me with a gift. Taking rapping seriously, I fought yet. The industry fucked up, I just work hard, I ain't locked up. On me, don't run up. I think I'm